My dear aspirants, welcome to DSC Biology 17th platform. Which of the following blood vessels contain valves? Pulmonary veins, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava? Answer is all the above. The blood vessels found in the walls of heart are called coronary blood vessels. Who was the scientist that coined the term double circulation? That is William Harvey. The blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood are systemic aorta and pulmonary veins. So 1 and 3 is the answer. 1 and 3. Systemic aorta contains oxygenated blood and pulmonary veins also. Normally veins carry deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary veins are exemptions. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood only. Into which chamber of heart pulmonary vein open? In the previous bit I told that pulmonary veins transport only oxygenated blood, and the left side of the heart, whether it is left auricle or left ventricle, both are filled up with oxygenated blood only. So pulmonary veins open into left atrium. Capillaries were found by scientists in which of the following animal for the first time? Answer is bat. The blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood are pulmonary aorta, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. That means 2, 4, 5 is the answer. 2, 4, 5. Because pulmonary arteries, normally arteries carry oxygenated blood and pulmonary arteries are the exemptions. So pulmonary arteries, that means pulmonary aorta, carry deoxygenated blood only. Who was the scientist that discovered blood capillaries for the first time? That is Malpighi, Marcello Malpighi. From which chamber of heart systemic aorta arises? Systemic aorta supplies or carries, transports oxygenated blood. I told that I already made it clear that the left part of the body, left side of the body of the heart, left side of the body of the heart, that means left auricle and left ventricle contain oxygenated blood. That means they contain systemic blood circulation. As a result, this systemic aorta arises from left ventricle, left ventricle. The major blood vessel that supplies oxygenated blood from heart to all body parts except lungs is the major blood vessels that supplies oxygenated blood from heart to all the body parts except lungs is called systemic aorta. Systemic aorta. Which of the following are one-way valves? Which of the following are one-way valves? Answer is valves in the veins, pulmonary valve, aortic valve, all the above is the answer. The major blood vessel that supplies deoxygenated blood to lungs from heart is called pulmonary aorta. As I already told, pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood. The major blood vessel that supplies deoxygenated blood to lungs from heart is called pulmonary aorta. This is done in order to facilitate oxygenation of blood in the lungs. In Latin language, capillaries means hair. Who was the scientist that found small valves in veins for the first time when he was studying the veins of the human leg? That is Girolamo Fabrici. Girolamo Fabrici. Which of the following blood vessels does not contain valves? Coronary arteries. The major blood vessel that supplies deoxygenated blood to heart from anterior parts of the body is called precaval vein. Which of the following valves is also known as mitral valve, that is bicuspid valve? Who was the scientist that coined the term capillaries for the first time? Who was the scientist that coined the term capillaries for the first time? This is again Marcello Malpighi. From which chamber of heart pulmonary aorta arises? Let us recollect the point which you have learned in this session. I told that pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood and the right side of the heart contains deoxygenated circulation. So, the pulmonary aorta arises from right ventricle. The major blood vessel that supplies deoxygenated blood to heart from lower parts of the body is called postcaval vein.